Hello friends, welcome to my channel ELS English Literature Studies with Gaur Harpreet. Today I am here to discuss some multiple choice questions that are based on style. If you are new on my channel, then let me tell you that I have started a series on what is the poetry, and I have discussed all 10 forms of poetry, and this was the last one, style, which I had already discussed, and MCQs are also discussed of all the forms of poetry. So let us start with today's MCQs, which are based on style. My first question is, what is the main purpose of style? Now I will just give questions here. I will not discuss answers because all the points are already discussed in my previous videos. If you are interested, link will be provided in the description box, right? And secondly, there is no need to discuss or repeat the we can say repeat the ideas again, and so I will discuss only questions. So let us start. If you are regular on my channel, then it will be easy for you to answer these questions. My first question is, what is the main purpose of style? There are four options: to criticize something, to bring about change, to agree with something, or to make people laugh, right? You have to tick the correct answer. uh, you can say these are little bit similar to each other. It is sometimes it is confusing that star is all star or criticize also, and it is to bring about change. It means to agree with something, or star, sometimes star is comic, so its purpose is to make people laugh, but you have to pick the one and which is the correct answer, right? My second question is, which is not a form of poetry? Epic, tale, ballad, or sonnet. Which is not a form of poetry? It is easy to answer if you are regular on my channel, that I have already told that I have discussed the 10 forms of poetry, and which one is not there, that is the answer, right? Then question number 3: in which language the stories of the Canterbury Tales are written? You have to mention the language. In which language the stories of the Canterbury Tales are written? English, Middle English, Latin, or French? Question number 4 is, how does Star attempt to improve individuals or society? Main purpose of Star is to improve the society or individual, and it should be reformatory, right? It is Star should be in positive way. It is not to hurt someone else. So how does Star attempt to improve? By modeling correct thought and behavior, by ridiculing flaws and follies, by praising achievements and honors, or by explaining the difference between right and wrong, right? Again, there are similarities in options: by modeling correct thought and behavior, by ridiculing flaw and follies, and by explaining the difference between right and wrong. These are a little bit similar to each other. You have to take the correct answer. Then question number 5 is, which of these is magnum opus of Chaucer? Four options are given. You have to find out the correct one. Which of these is magnum opus of Chaucer? And it is easy to answer if you have gone through my video in which I have discussed the great satirists and their works. Then it will be very easy. Then question number 6 is, which of the four strategies of style refers to imitating another's technique or style? Which of the four strategies of style refers to imitating another's technique or style? Again, I have discussed these strategies of style in detail in my previous videos. You can check that video, and it will be easy to answer for you. Is it exaggeration, reversal, incongruity, or parody? I will not explain it here because it is already discussed in that. Question number 7 is, George Bernard Shaw's work, The Apple Cart, is a powerful style on. The apple cart is a powerful star on the working of monarchy, on the working of democracy, or on the working of dictatorship. My next question is, which one of these is not an example of style? Which one of these is not an example of style? The Onion, Saturday Night Live, The Colbert Report, or option D is Cry, A Beloved Country? Which is not an example of style? Question number 9 is, Jonathan Swift uses this strategy of style in his essay A Modest Proposal. when he takes his solution to poverty and hunger to its very extremes. A modest proposal is discussed in my previous video. You can check that video and it will be easy to answer. Options are parody, exaggeration, incongruity, or reversal. Jonathan Jonathan Swift uses this strategy of style in his essay A Modest Proposal when he takes a solution to poverty and hunger to its very extremes. Question number 10. Which of Chaucer's works is associated with Valentine's Day? Which of Chaucer's works is associated with Valentine's Day? The Book of the Duchess, the Canterbury Tales, or the Parliamentary Fowls? Which of Chaucer's works is associated with Valentine's Day? The Book of the Duchess, the Canterbury Tales, or the Parliamentary Fowls? My next question is, which of the following statements on Hudibras are true? It is a novel written by Matthew Prior. It is a satirical poem published in 3 parts. It was written by Samuel Butler. Or it discusses complex issues of justice, politics, and religion. Which statement is true? Right? My next question is, options for this question are C and D are true, A and D, B and C, A and B. In this question, 2 statements are true. You have to find out which one, right? And if you have gone through this video, Great Satirist and Their Works Part 1, I have already discussed Hudibras there, so it will be easy to answer. Options are C and D, A and D, B and C, A and B. My last question is, William Langland's work, Piers the Plowman, is a satire on. Again, this is discussed in Part 1, Great Satirist and Their Works. Piers the Plowman is discussed there. It is a satire on corrupt clergymen, contemporary poets, kings and princes, or peasants. So friends, these are 12 questions in today's video, which are based on style. Answers are given at the end of the video. So if you want answers, then check the video till the end. And if you like my content, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching.